Question number 13. Write a program that generates the following output: 5, 10, 9. So this is the vertical way you have to generate the output. Then afterward, assign value 5 to a variable. Assign value 5 to a variable means one variable you take and that place you assign the value, which one? 5, using assignment operator. Assignment operator is equal to symbol. Then multiply it with 2 to generate 10 and subtract 1 to generate 9. Means first take as an input value, that is 5, then afterwards multiply with 2, 5 2s are 10, and then afterwards 10 minus 1, you subtract minus 1, then you will get it 9 value. So first x equal to 5, then print x. So which one will display? 5. Now x into equal to 2. Otherwise x equal to x into 2. Both are same. This is the assignment operator. Okay. So x equal to x into 2. This meaning also in the same. So x equal to x into 2 means whenever x into 2 multiplied and value will store in the x only. So 5 2s are 10. And this 10 value, now x value is changed. Okay. X value is changed now. Here x value is 5, now x value is here 10. So print x, 10 value. Now 10 minus 1 it will do. So then 9 will generate. So x equal to x minus 1. This is also means x minus equal to 1. Means x equal to x minus 1. Now check the output. Look at here, 5, 10, 9. Same formula.